Hi, I'm Mike. I'm one of the EDM applications engineers here at Makino. I'd like to talk about the wire retrieval system on our wire machines. In the back of the machine, we have our pinch rollers. They're covered by a protective case. We'll remove the case. We see our pinch rollers. We have a system to dry the wire as the wire comes through. The excess water is returned to the dirty water tank, and the water comes out clean and dry. Okay? That maintains the life of the pinch rollers, keeps them clean. The wire would fall into the recovery bin where the wire is taken away. Okay? And that's an overview of the wire retrieval system on our wire EDM machines. Thank you.